Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you about PT or VT testing through MVCT. MVCT is a device through which we will test this PT of ratio 33 kV by 115. So let's start the VT test. This is the connections for MVCT. There are two primary and secondary wires which we have to connect to test the VT. We will connect first primary side of the VT and then secondary side of the VT. So there is an option in MVCT, we can run all tests together like ratio test, winding, resistance test, but it's better to perform in VT all tests separately, like ratio test first, then secondary winding resistance test, because some connections are different. So start the test. First of all, go to setting and put the test date and time, because for information it is necessary to put date and time on which you perform this test. So after selection the date and time, we have to enter the user information, because user information is very important for the report writing. Put all the details of the user and the ambient temperature here at which we are testing our PT, because the test varies with the ambient temperature. So after putting this data, we have to put the PT or VT nameplate details. Go into the nameplate and insert one by one. So number of VTs and number of windings. These are depending on our reports to how many VTs report we want to merge in one single report. So I put here 1 and number of tapes are 2, because with this tester we can only test single ratio. So after inserting tape 2 single ratio, we will put the name of VT, and after putting the name of VT, label and name, any name we can put as per our requirement. First we will select the standard. There are two standard, ANSI and IEC. So we will work with IEC standard. After selecting IEC standard, we have two options of core like protection and metering. If we select the metering core in VT, it is necessary to inject the voltage, rated voltage 80% to 120%, but it is huge. With test set we normally inject low voltages, so therefore we will select protection core. So after selecting protection core, we have to enter the accuracy class. In PT we have accuracy class defined as 0.2-3p like this. So we will select 3p for the accuracy class, and burden, which is mentioned on our nameplate of PT, like 25. After entering this data, we have to put the ratio, like primary voltage 33 kV. We have the primary voltage 33 kV divided by √3. After inserting the primary voltage, by this click we can select divided by √3 or simply 33 kV, whichever mentioned on nameplate, and then secondary voltage of core which we will test. So we are testing the core like 1A1 and 1N, so we have 115. So after putting this data, we will start test. First test is ratio test. We will click on the ratio test and run the ratio test. Then it will calculate the ratio of this PT first, but first it will show us the wiring that we have to connect like this. Secondary of the PT should be connected like which ratio we select, 1A1 and 1N small. And for primary connection, this is the secondary connection. we will do 1A1 and 1N small. For primary connection, like VT, this is secondary, this is primary, green color. On this test set, we will connect green color positive to the like red. If it is the red phase CT, we will connect on red after confirming the tag, and the second terminal of primary is always with the secondary side of PT. We will connect, it is mentioned like capital N. So our connections are completed as per the drawing shown by this MVCT tester. After verification of drawing, we will run the test. It will start test for ratio. First it is checking leads. If leads are okay, now it is testing ratio. For the ratio test of tape AN, it will inject voltage like up to 290, because this test set has range of voltage 300, and it will calculate the ratio of this PT. So the test is in progress. Once the injection start, it will perform the test and give result like this. So polarity corrected, and the VT ratio you can check here. I will show you all the report after the performing secondary winding resistance test of this PT. Similarly, now it's showing the connection for the secondary winding resistance. We will connect like the diagram shown in the test set. We will inject into the secondary, like confirming the tag. Whenever you do a connection of any test set, always confirm all connections. So now secondary lead no need to connect, only primary lead connected to secondary of the PT. So after confirming the connection, start the test for winding resistance test of this PT. Now it is testing winding resistance. After testing winding resistance, it will give a combined test report of, like, first it will take the readings of ratio test and then secondary winding test, which is 0.364 ohms. Now it will show us the report from here. This is the report, like you can see here. It includes the percentage accuracy error 0.087, which is the in acceptable limits, and polarity is corrected. Secondary resistance also shown here. So it's all about PT test. Thanks.